Vengala and I'm back with a new video, and today is my first YouTube unboxing video. So I've got a parcel from the Tata International yesterday, and so let's see what's inside this, and I'm going to unbox this and also give you a review on what is inside this product. If you're curious to know what inside this product, watch the video till the end. Before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos in my YouTube channel. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is the parcel that I have received from Tata International. So let's first unbox it. So guys, let's open this one. Yes guys, this is the cover of the passport. Yes guys, the Tata International has sent us the cover for the passport of the Republic of India. This has cost me around 500 rupees and they are available on 3 categories. One is the polyurethane and leather, and the third one is also leather, which is premium leather. So I have ordered the leather cover for my passport. So let's see what's inside this and I'm going to review, is it worth the money. So let's open it. You can see, let's keep this aside. You can see the label here. Thank you for buying our product. This is unique passport cover designed and handicraft exclusively for your passport. The utility slots available may be used for keeping currencies, boarding pass, cards, etc. Keep it away from moist conditions and direct sunlight for extended use. From Tata International, genuine leather. That's it. There's a little greeting card here. Let's keep this also aside. Now let's bring it back. This one, it looks very nice. You can see this printing of this passport and this Republic of India makes it as a official passport cover. Let's take it out of the cover. You can see this watermark printing is very nice and it's looking like a premium cover by looking at it. Let's see, we've got another sheet of cardboard. And this is the thing, it looks premium and its quality is also looking like a genuine leather. My first impressions are very nice and it's totally worth its money because this leather is really a good quality one which is not usually available outside. Okay, now let's see the inside one. Inside you have one pocket here in the left side and also one pocket in the right side, so that you can keep your currencies or other stuff, or even the passport goes inside this pocket. And now you are also having the 4 little slots, 1 2 3 4 other sockets, so that you can go your currency notes or some credit cards and all that stuff. You can also put it here and you can just take it with you. This is mostly used for longer trips like abroad, and you can carry your passport separately in this cover because it will be very much safe for you and you don't usually lose your passport. And also this cannot be used as the regular wallet that you carry with you always. So this is only for the official meetings or some official works. If you carry this one, it's going to be one of the best thing that you would carry, and also less chance of missing the passport. So finally guys, I think this one is worth its money and also very useful. If you are newly applying for a passport, I highly recommend this one, as this one worth its money. And also it comes with a great leather quality and also some great colors also. I'll provide the colors on the screen. You can see the different colors to choose from. So I have chosen this black one, and you can choose your color as your wish. And I'll also provide the links down below so that you can detailedly study about this one and select the passport color of your choice. And that's all from this video. I hope you got some idea on how usually a passport cover looks like, and how Tata is designing its passport cover. And that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.